Alif. Alif is for Allah. Alif is for Allah. Ba. Ba is for Baqarah. Baqarah means cow. Ta. Ta is for Toba. Toba means repentance. Sa. Sa is for Salasa. Salasa means 3. Jim. Jim is for Jannah. Jannah means paradise. Ha. Ha is for Hajj. Hajj is the pillar of Islam. Kha. Kha is for Khanakaba. Khanakaba is the prayer place. Dal. Dal is for Dua. Dua. Prayer for ask Allah. Zal. Zal is for Zahab. Zahab means gold. Ra. Ra is for Ramadan. Ramadan. Zal. Zal is for Zakat. Zal is for Zakat. Sin. Sin is for Sajada. Sin is for Sajda. Shin. Shin is for Shams. Shams means sun. Sad. Sad is for Salat. Salat. Salat means prayer. Dad. Dad is for Daha. Daha is the prayer after the sun rising. Ta. Ta is for Tahara. Tahara means cleanness. Za. Za is for Zuhur, the prayer, second prayer of the day. Ain. Ain is for Eid, the celebration of Muslims after Ramzan month. Ghain. Ghain is for Ghaima. Ghaima means clouds. Fa. Fa is for Fajr, the first prayer of the day, dawn time. Qaf. Qaf is for Qamar. Qamar means moon. Kaf. Kaf is for Kitab. Kitab means book. Quran is the best book of the world. Lam. Lam is for Lail. Lail means night time, the sleeping time of our. Mim. Mim is for Masjid. Masjid means mosque. Masjid is the place of prayer. Noon. Noon is for Nahla. Nahla means bee, honey bee which collects honeys for us. Ha. Ha is for Hadiya. Hadiya means gift. Wow. Wow is for wudu. Wudu in ablution. Ya. Ya is for yakut. Yakut mean is a rare stone. Yakut. Thanks for joining us. Please subscribe our channel.